choosing a legal specialization is one of the most important career decisions for a law student. The legal field is like a huge forest. Many paths exist, each leading to a different kind of work, lifestyle, and impact on society. Let's expand on the areas in detail so students can better understand what each path entails. 1. Corporate lawyer. Corporate lawyer advises businesses on contracts, mergers, acquisitions, compliance with laws, and governance. They help companies expand, protect themselves from risks, and maintain ethical standards. Corporate lawyers should be skilled in drafting and negotiation skills, understanding of finance, business strategy, and commercial law. The career path for corporate lawyers is law firms, in-house legal teams of corporations, consulting firms, or international organizations. Corporate lawyers help businesses run smoothly, ensure legal compliance, and play a role in economic development. Criminal lawyer. Criminal lawyers defend individuals accused of crimes or represent the state in prosecuting them. They are involved in court trials, evidence analysis, and client advocacy. They need strong analytical thinking, persuasive communication, emotional resilience, and courtroom advocacy. A career path for criminal lawyers typically includes private practice, a public defender's office, prosecution service, or judicial services. A criminal lawyer's impact is to protect the rights of the accused, uphold law and order, and play a crucial role in the delivery of justice. A civil lawyer. A civil lawyer deals with non-criminal disputes like family law, divorce, custody, property disputes, torts, and contractual disagreements. A civil lawyer requires skills like mediation, negotiation, interpersonal skills, and detailed knowledge of civil procedure. Career paths for civil lawyers are family law firms, dispute resolution centers, independent practice, or NGOs. A civil lawyer helps resolve everyday disputes that directly affect people's lives, often aiming for reconciliation and fairness. Or tax lawyer specializes in tax planning, compliance, and litigation related to taxation laws. They work with individuals, businesses, and sometimes governments. They need to be skilled in numerical ability, precision, research skills, and constant updating on changing tax laws. Career paths for tax lawyers are law firms, corporate tax departments, accounting or consultancy firms, or government revenue departments. A tax lawyer ensures fair tax practices, helps reduce liabilities legally, and influences financial decision-making. Intellectual property IP lawyer. An IP lawyer protects intellectual creations, patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets, advises artists, inventors, and corporations. They need creativity, detail orientation, knowledge of technology or science for patents, and global IP treaties. Career path for an IP lawyers are IP law firms, entertainment or media companies, technology firms, or global organizations like WIPO. Their main role is to safeguard innovation and creativity, ensure fair use, and encourage technological and cultural growth. Environmental lawyer. An environmental lawyer works on environmental regulations, pollution control, climate change, and natural resource management. They represent NGOs, governments, or affected communities. They need to have a passion for sustainability, policy knowledge, litigation, and advocacy skills. Career paths for environmental lawyers are NGOs, international organizations, government environmental departments, or specialized firms. They can help in shaping policies to protect the environment and ensure accountability for ecological harm. Public interest lawyer. PIL lawyer advocates for human rights, marginalized communities, labor rights, and constitutional freedoms. They are mainly involved in litigation, legal aid, or policy development. They are dedicated to justice, strong advocacy, patience, and resilience against systemic challenges. Career paths for PIL lawyers are NGOs, human rights commissions, legal aid centers, or academia. They directly contribute to social justice, protecting the rights of the underrepresented. Cyber lawyer. Cyber lawyer deals with issues of cybercrime, data protection, privacy, e-commerce regulations, and IT laws, increasingly important in the digital age. They need to know about technology, digital forensics, international law, and adaptability. Career path of cyber lawyers is in cyber law firms, IT companies, government cyber cells, or regulatory bodies. They help to ensure safe use of technology, protect people from online fraud, and influence the future of digital governance. Arbitration lawyer. They specialize in resolving disputes outside of traditional courts through arbitration or alternative dispute resolution (ADR), common in commercial, construction, investment, and cross-border disputes. They need to have strong skill of strong negotiation, communication, analytical thinking, drafting arbitration agreements, and knowledge of international arbitration rules like UNCITRAL, ICC, SIAC, etc. Career paths for them are arbitration law firms, corporate legal departments, international arbitration institutions, or independent arbitration practice. They help to provide faster, private, and often cost-effective solutions to disputes while reducing the burden on courts and fostering smoother business relations. Your career path in law should reflect your interests, passions, strengths, skills, and preferred lifestyle. The best way to discover what truly fits you is by exploring internships across different legal fields and gaining first-hand experience. At the end of the day, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Many lawyers even shift fields during their careers. The key is to start exploring early, stay open-minded, and build expertise in the area that aligns with your values and long-term goals.